discoveries where science sets it.
Hello my gems and welcome to GeoCave's Vlogmas. I'm Asha, I'm a geologist living in Norway. We are just thundering through the alphabet and the topic of today is the Greek letter delta. So we'll just write it. Delta, let's see here. We have like this. This is, no, wait a second. Like this. This is delta. No. Delta. Studying calculus, I got very used to the letter. The chosen examples for today is change in a value of a variable, area of a triangle, and last but not least, the maximum birefringence. So grab a cup of your favorite drink and let's see what's in the cave today. The area of a triangle has been calculated in many different ways up through time by using the length, vectors, trigonometry, to just name a few. But I'm not going into depth to all of these methods. But delta is used to describe this area, and it is the total space enclosed by its three sides in a two-dimensional plane. To calculate it using trigonometry, you need to know the length of the base and the height. And the basic formula is a half times the base times the height. In calculus, the symbol delta represents an infinitesimal change in a variable. This concept is crucial for studying the rates of change and calculating its derivatives. Think of it as a tiny difference between two values, like how a function or a graph behaves when you move it ever so slightly along its curve. And we had to take one example from geology. This one sounds much more complicated than it is, and we're not going to make it more difficult. The maximum birefringence of a crystal is like the difference between how fast light travels in different directions through the crystal. And the secret meaning of delta is directed trajectory, a road that has a direction. The last two examples says something about the direction of the path, where you're going at different points in the path and how fast it's moving. So it's not far off. In the area of a triangle, the only thing that makes sense, for me at least, is that the big letter delta is shaped like a triangle. Yeah. But if you got any insights, examples, or just want to say hi, leave a comment down below. So that's me closing off. For more earth-shattering content, tune in tomorrow. Until then, have a jolly day.
Sail in the heart of Greece where history